Bore da blwyddyn now. I hope you all completed the other tasks set by your teachers the other day, and I hope you all remembered lots of the names of the sports in Welsh. Today, we're going to introduce you to the new topic, Chwaraeon Eithafol, but before we do that, I'd like you to click on the YouTube link below and watch the short video to see if you can guess what our new topic is about. I hope you all enjoyed watching that video and that you managed to guess that the new topic is extreme sports. Were you inspired by any of those crazy people in those videos? Some of the stuff they do is quite scary. Okay, the first task I would like you to complete is I'd like to look at these 3 questions below and I'd like to work out who is the imposter. Now lots of these sports are the ones hopefully you will have remembered in the work we set for you the other day. So number 1, you've got pêl-droed, nofio or golf. Who do you think is the imposter in that first question? Prif 2, number 2, tennis, rhedeg, canoeio and gymnastic. Who do you think is the imposter there? Is it oren, melyn, brown or gwyrdd? And number 3, who is the imposter here? Is it nofio, dawnsio, golf or pwll-nofio? The next slide will give you the answers. Number 1, the imposter there was nofio. Nofio ydy'r imposter because there's dim pêl. There's no ball in that sport. Pêl-droed, pêl-roed and golf, they all have a pêl. They all have a ball for you to play. Nofio, you don't. Prif 2, tennis was the imposter this time. Tennis ydy'r imposter because there is a pêl. All the others, you don't have a ball to play them. And the last one, pwll-nofio ydy'r imposter because that is not a chwaraeon. All the others are actual sports, but the pwll-nofio, swimming pool, is not a sport. Before I introduce you to the names of the extreme sports in Welsh, I'd like to look at the pictures and the words below and see if you can have a go at matching the words with the correct picture. So bearing in mind, you're going to look for some cognates, so words that sound similar in other languages, so lots of them may sound similar to the English or to other languages you may know, and others might just be a complete guess. So the pictures from left to right, starting with the top row, are windsurfing, zip wire, bungee jumping, kite surfing. Second row, you've got a snowboarder, then you've got some high ropes, then you've got a surfer, then you've got some rafting, then you've got a motorbike, then you've got some mountain biking, you've got skiing, diving, and then the pictures in the last row are of a skateboarder, a mountain climber, somebody canoeing, and then the last one is of an abseiler. See if you can match up the pictures with the correct name. Right, I'll introduce you to the names of the different sports now. So the first one is mynydda, mountain climbing, mynydda. Can you say that one after me? Mynydda. The next one is sglefrfyddio. That's a bit of a mouthful to say. Skateboarding, sglefrfyddio. Break it up into 2 words if you want, if it's easier to say. So the first part is sglefr, and the second part is fyddio. Sglefrfyddio. Next one is deifio, diving. Deifio. That one sounds quite similar to the English. Deifio. Can you say that after me? Deifio. This time, skio. You probably could guess that one. Skio. It's easy. It sounds very similar to the English. Skio. Okay, this one is beicio mynydd. Mountain biking. Beicio mynydd. Can you say that one after me? Beicio mynydd. Got another biking one now. This time it's beicio modur. Beicio modur. Motorbiking. Beicio modur. So the first word, beicio, is spelled the same as the last slide, beicio. And instead of mynydd, you've got modur. So I'm sure you could guess those two if you had to. Rafftio. Rafftio, again, very similar to the English. Rafftio, just look how it's spelt. Remember, double F makes the F sound in Welsh. Rafftio. Surfio. Surfio. Again, very similar to the English. Surfio, but instead of a U, you've got a Y there and a double F again, making that F sound. Surfio. This one, snowboarding, is eirfyrdio. Eirfyrdio. If you know what snow is in Welsh, eira, you could probably guess because the first three letters of that word are the first three letters of snow in Welsh. Eirfyrdio. And you've got neidio, bungee. You probably all know what neidio, you probably remember that. Neidio, bungee jumping. And bungee, just the same as English. Next one, you've got a windsurfer here. So he's surfing. You've already had that word. You could probably guess that one if you had to. Surfio. And if you know the word for wind, if you remember when we've done weather in the past, it's gwint. Surfio, gwint. And if any of you have been lucky enough to go up to Zip World and try the zip wires up there, you have got a gwifren zip. Gwifren zip. You can repeat that one after me. Gwifren zip. Zip wire. One F this time, making the V sound, and then an S instead of the Z. Gwifren zip. This one, kite surfing, is surfio barcud. Surfio barcud. So you already know the surfio word. The word for kite is barcud. Barcud. So think of ways that can help you remember that word, barcud. And you've got somebody on the high ropes here. Rhaffau uchel. Rhaffau uchel. If you can repeat that one after me. Rhaffau uchel. High ropes. Ropes is rhaffau and uchel is high. This one is very similar to the English, and I'm sure you could guess this one. Canoeio. Canoeing is canoeio. Canoeio. And this one, if you had to guess this one, if you had this word in front of you, you could easily guess this one too. Abseilio. 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 Abseiling. Right, the next few slides I'm going to show you a tiny snippet of one of those sports I've just introduced you to, and I want you to see if you can guess which sport you think that picture is showing. Okay, picture number one. Which sport do you think this picture is? Can you guess? I'll give you a few more seconds. It was gwifren zip. Did you get that one right? Okay, the next one. Which sport is this one? Surfio. Da iawn if you got that correct. What about this one? Any guesses? Rhaffau uchel. Da iawn if you got that one correct. Right, next one. This is a bit tricky. Can you guess which one this one is? A few more seconds. Beicio modur. Beicio modur. Da iawn if you got that one correct. What about this one? Who remembers what sport this picture is showing? Rafftio. If you got that one correct, da iawn too. Rafftio. Okay, next one. Beth ydy'r chwaraeon? What is the sport here? Beth ydy'r chwaraeon? Big high drop, barefoot on display. Beth ydy'r chwaraeon? Neidio bungee. That's quite an easy one, wasn't it? Da iawn if you got that one. And this one, beth ydy'r chwaraeon? What is the sport? Do you know? Wyt ti'n gwybod? Do you know? Beth ydy'r chwaraeon? Deifio! Da iawn. That was the last one of those. How many did you get right? All of them, I hope. Okay, in class we'd play a game here. To look at this worksheet, I've uploaded it onto Teams, and I'd like you to match up the sport with the correct picture. Try and do it without looking back through the PowerPoint. I'm sure most of you will know a lot of these now. And again, like I said, look for clues, look for ones that sound like the English and see which ones you're left over with. So the first one on the list is sgleferfyrdio. Then you've got beicio mynydd, rafftio, rhaffau uchel, abseilio, sgïo, mynydda, beicio modur, eirfyrddio, wifren zip, and surfio. There is one sport left. Can you tell me what it is in English? So like I said, I will upload that one to Teams for you, and you can either print it off or mark it up on the sheet. Okay, da iawn. Diolch yn fawr.